Module 3, Chapter 1 Business Model, Types and Categories.
We can find several types of business models. These are some of the most important. Value networks from VERNA ALLEE, Henry CHESBROUG'S business model, strategy diamond, 4-box business model, and business model canvas. Value networks from VERNA ALLEE. It is based on the creation of value networks among the participants of the business. Value networks are the relationship created among the people in the company that induce the economic or social value. The mapping of this model is done using certain steps. People are represented in nodes, and then those nodes are linked using solid lines. This can be tangible, formal, or contractual, or lashed lines, which can be intangible or informal. This module allows to clearly state how the company creates value. Henry CHESBROUG'S business model. The main features of the open innovation business model. There are both internal and external sources used. It is based on innovation. These types of business models are mapped, putting a box in the middle of the different points to control. Bear in mind how a business model is not static. It may need to change when the business grows, even if at the beginning it was suiting the company. Everything is interconnected in a business model, so changing one input will probably mean changing the rest. Strategy diamond. This type of strategy aims to allow users to consider all the variables together instead of separately. It acts as a checklist related to parts of the business. This strategy starts answering questions about ARENA and continues until arriving to economic logic, which is a summary of all the points. Arenas. Choices related to the place where the company wants to complete, and value chain activities insourced or outsourced. Differentiators. Factors that allow the firm to defeat competitors in the previous arenas. Vehicles. To which extent the strategy relies on internal development efforts in relation to collaboration with the external partners. Staging and pacing. Sequence and speed of strategic moves. It allows to identify the decision moments in each strategic move. Economic logic. It shows how all the previous parts join in order to satisfy stakeholders. 4-box business model. In this model, invented by Mark Johnson and Clayton Christensen, there are 4 boxes to complete: customer value proposition, key resources, key processes, and the profit formula. Business model canvas, BMC. It is the most commonly used type of business model. It allows you to describe, design, challenge, invent, and pivot your business model. It is a visual chart which elements describe a firm or product's value proposition, infrastructure, customers, and finances. Its practical approach allows you to highlight the dynamics of the business model and serve as an inspiration to explore new opportunities.
Thank you for listening to the Learn to Learn course.